araw sa inyo lahat. Ako si Alni.
Ako naman si Lisa.
Ako yung A.
Ako yung L.
Ng A&L.
Hi, A&L is located in Buena Vista, Looc, Romblon.
Bakit kayo kailangan pumunta or dapat pumunta sa A&L? Meron na kaming A&L Cafe. Meron kaming hot and cold coffee-based drinks, juice, fruit juices. Meron din kaming cookies, cakes, and rice meals. We've had this place for years now, and then one day we realized sobrang ganda ng lugar na ito. Parang sayang naman kung kami lang yung makakapag-enjoy.
Tapos kung gusto nyo rin ng peace and quiet, mag-muni-muni, reflect on life, so this is the best place.
Nasa bundok ka, pero ang view mo ay dagat. At yung dagat na yon ay hindi siya unreachable. No? So malalakad mo lang siya pababa. Of course, you're going to lose a number of calories. Pero may hinanda naman kaming mga steps para hindi kayo mahirapan na umakyat baba. So now that we have opened the place to the public, I hope that you can come visit. Definitely open kami during weekdays, starting Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yung cafe namin might be closed every Monday. Soon maglalabas kami ng advisory kung anong oras, anong araw kami open to the public.
So halina kayo, bisitahin nyo, give this place a chance. You can find us on Facebook. Our Facebook account is A&L Cafe.